Hi, this is Cherie for Just.nailedit, and it is SheModern Saturday. We are going to be doing some stamping, of course. Flowers, of course. Our nails are going to be these beautiful ones. I've matted them, but the mat didn't cover them all. My square nails are from Temu. I am a brand ambassador. You can get my affiliate link and my code out of the description box for this and any products from Temu. We got our nails here. Those are square, of course. We got our jelly stamper from SheModern. Our scraper, of course. My plate I'm using came from State of Disorder, a friend of mine, Bethany. It just says 10 with a heart around it. There's no name on the plate. So these are some of the flowers we're going to be using. I'll have a bling. I don't know if I'm going to do a bling nail or do across the top. I'm undecided as of right now. I just don't know. I'm going to be using my opaque black sticky stamping polish. I got my cotton claw ready and reared and ready to go. So I think we're ready. Let's proceed. On my thumbnail, I think I'm going to do the tulips. So those are definitely calling to me. I love tulips. I think they're just beautiful. Just beautiful. So I'm going to go in with those. Low and slow. Whoops. Come in with my stamper. Use your scraper, your lint roller, a piece of tape, whatever you have handy, whatever you're comfortable using. And there you go. We have us some tulips. Put those aside. Clean your plate. As well as your stamper. Even though it looks like your stamper came clean, clean it. Clean it. Now let's see, what should we do next? What should we do next? Let's see, I might do a bling nail. So if I do that, that'll be the ring finger. I think that I'll do on the middle ring finger right here. These are calling out to me as well. Now you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot of stamping polish. You need minimal. Beautiful pickup. There we go. Now we are going to color these in with some of our watercolors. I got some new watercolors that I'm just dying to use. So we're going to let the nails sit off there to the side. We're going to let them become less sticky. Because they are sticky, sticky. Sticky, icky. We're going to go with the leaves here as well. Low and slow, ladies. Beautiful pickup. We go in with our pinky nail. Rock it. Rock it to the side. Let me see, is there uno más? Uno más? I need one more image. There's really not one calling to me. Kinda sucks. Guess I'll take this one here for the index finger. There's this one right here. Roll your stamper over the image. Then take my lint roller, take off the excess. Shoot. Which way does it go, George? There we go. I'm going to clear up my stamper one last and final time. Make sure it's really super clean around the edges. I'm going to pause, clear up my mess, and get set up for the watercolor. Alrighty, we are back. We are ready to dive in with some watercolors. I've got 6 out in front of me. I have got the silvery pink sparkle diamond. These are beautiful. They have been shaken, not stirred. Pearl metallic lime. Pearl metallic red. Pearl metallic purple. Let's see if I can shake this one just a little bit more. This is just beautiful. Let me use that in the tulips. This is a sheer lemon jelly watercolor. This is a silvery blue sparkle diamond watercolor. Beautiful. Let me shake this up a little bit more as well. There are balls, 2 balls inside of each bottle. That helps with the mixing process. See the silvery in there? They are just beautiful. So I'm going to open each one up. Get me a, whoops, should say a little bit. That one came out just a little bit too much. I need a dollop. Somebody needs a little bit more than a dollop. Because I'm doing tulips, flowers. These are watercolors, so they do dry sort of fast. Whoops. Whoopsie. Whoopsie, whoops. They already came out rather fast. Whoops. Should knock them all over. Somebody's texted me. See the green and you sort of a lot of. I got leaves, flowers, stems. And the pink I also want a lot of. There we go. Gang's all here. So, let's go in with our brush, which is also from Temu. Please use my affiliate code and link in the description box. My code is FAV, Frank Allen Victor 41566. Frank Allen Victor 41566. Save yourself 30% off. Now, I'm not trying to be dishonest, but it is only good for the first time for new users. Trying to spread this out a little bit. Spread it out. Spread it out. Use a different email address. Shipping address. Whatever. So you can use it twice. There we go. There's the leaves. They're all colored on the tulips. Then you go with the red metallic. Pearl. The pearl. No, they're not all going to be red. I'm going to be doing different colors. I have a pink one here. purple. These are just too much too. We're picking up too much. So I'm trying to take some off. The more you have on, the longer it's going to take to dry. I'm going to take the bubble of the blue. Is there a blue tulip? I don't know. I've seen black ones. Burgundy are almost black. Clean my brush. Let me clean my brush. Get another yellow. I think these are just beautiful. Again, these are SheModern watercolors. I'm not going to do everything with you, because that's going to take like a 30-40 minute video. So I'm just going to do a couple colors here, and I'm going to pause it and finish on my own, because I don't know how to do fast forward on Kinemaster. Sure, it's probably simple. I just don't know how. I just don't know how. Alright, we are back. We are dry. We are ready to top coat. I have my bling box out. I wanted to show you my two wax picker-uppers from Temu. They have a variety of colors, my green and my pink. So here are those. they have also blue, I think it is, and white. I do not remember off the top of my head my price. The link, my affiliate link, will be down in the description box. I was going to put a piece of bling at the top of each nail, but I decided against it. So I'm going to close this, put this away. We're just going to top coat my babies. Pop them in the lamp for 60. I think these are so very pretty. They turned out really nice. Really nice. I'm using Top Coat by iGel Beauty in No White, because that is what I prefer. Pay attention to the blue, the purple, the red, the pink, not the red, but the pink. The red was the metallic as well. The pearl. Pink, let me see. The pink is the pearl. The blue. The blue was one of the diamonds. The silver. The blue was the silvery sparkly diamond. They are so SheModern has a lot of beautiful products, so please go check out their catalog. Use my ambassador code NailedIt67, all caps, at checkout. Save yourself 10% off. And who doesn't want to save 10% off? You'd be crazy not to. But just put them in for 60. We will be right back. I think are just so pretty. I'm loving, loving, loving all of these new colors. Love, love, love. Go check out SheModern.com and the new catalog. She has got so many new products. Make sure with the watercolors they got the black cap. Stamping polishes, the new ones have the white cap, I believe. Go check them out. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my springtime flowers. I think they turned out really super pretty. Really super pretty. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that comes across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.